Hey, Ab Crow Kid here again with another Hoover. Obviously it's a theme for today. This time it's my new old stock Hoover Elite 200 in this, whatever hell you want to call it, color, seafoam green. On my screen it looks more like a slate blue, but in real life it's like a grayish green sea foamy color, whatever the hell you want to call it. So the original box is in kind of rough shape, which I knew when I bid on it. I think I did the buy it now option, or made an offer, and they got back to me quick because I was hoping they would, because I knew if they had taken any longer someone else probably would have spent the full asking price. So it's got all the materials on the inside, the owner's manual with all the stuff that would have come with it. And I have the original cord inside the box because it's ridiculously short. And I found another one from my vac dealer from an old Elite 600. It actually is the same color as the original one, which is kind of hard to find that color. I guess it's harder to find it when you want it. So the one I have now is like a 30-foot cord off of like a Legacy or something. And of course in the picture it says convenient long cord, and she's vacuuming 2 rooms. Well, she must live in a dollhouse, because I can't even do like 1 room in this house without having to replug it into another outlet. So it's obviously in great shape, even though the box is not. You'll have to take my word for it that there's a Hoover Type A HEPA bag in there. I know it's a genuine one, but doing this one-handed isn't the most fun task in the world. I've always liked these, even as a kid. I don't know why. I always liked the high-end machines, or I should say the higher-end variants. But there's something about the simplicity of this bottom-of-the-line model. Originally it had a single-row red brush roller, and I was lucky enough to stumble across a 2-row red brush roller, new old stock, so it makes this machine much better. And it has the, jeez, my girlfriend's hair is like everywhere. It has the 5-amp motor, which I think they all should have, because it's really nice. It's not a screamer. Well, some people might say it, but I think it's a really pleasant tone. I don't mind it. And this thing really just cleans well. It grooms well, it leaves nice carpet lines. With the HEPA bag, it even has a good air filtration. So, and it's really lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's just, you know, you can just kind of toss it around. So I'll turn it on, and this might be challenging since it will probably want to take off on these rugs. So yeah, you can just tell, even in the video, that it just does a really nice job of grooming the carpet, and it leaves pretty nice carpet lines too. So all in all, just a really great little unit from Hoover, even though some people say that Elites are just a bunch of plastic junk. I would argue, like, well, then show me something better from today's Hoover lineup, and I really think you'd be hard pressed to, but there's always someone with an answer, so, you know, it is what it is, and so yeah, it's a really good little unit overall. So let me know what you think, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.